Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and I'm back with the first food pantry haul for June. Let's see what's in the bag, okay? Oh look, believe it or not, we got some Domino Sugar. They don't usually give out sugar. I'm surprised on that one. Wow, that's kind of cool. I have no idea. It's cereal. Huh? Corn puff cereal. Never heard of that. Tons of macaroni and cheese. I got 3 boxes of this. Wow. Check that out. 3 whole boxes. Oh yeah. Once again, they gave me some walnuts. I'm going to give these to Miss Brenda. She makes a candied walnut dessert that is out of this world. And I'll let you guys find out about that. Okay? Ooh, before I get in this bag, they gave out a bag of meat, guys. Can you believe that? I'm only one-handed because I did get injured. Well, I got jumped by some young thugs. I'm telling you. We'll have a talk about that. Look at this. Green onion tails, fresh. Some parsley. At first I thought it was cilantro, but it's parsley. I know what I'm going to make with this. I have some shrimp I bought, and I'm going to make shrimp scampi pasta. It is delicious. I'll show you how to do that. Oh. Ha ha ha. Here's the pasta. Oh, look. My favorite blueberry pie. Oh, I got 2 of these. I got to give one to Jay. Definitely give one to Jay. Look at this. Roasted salted peanuts. That is so cool. I'll give these to Jay too. He likes that. He likes that. Barbecue sauce. So we're going to have another barbecue. Oh, yeah. Dried instant milk. Now, guys, I showed you how to make this stuff taste good. If you need me to, I'll do another video on that, okay? Some chicken noodle soup. Ooh. Use that for a chicken base. Oh. Macaroni pasta. Now, you know I'm going to use this for a casserole. Some raisins. Yeah. Oh, another blueberry pie. Jay is going to love it. Oh, yeah. Baked beans. What do we got over here? Ooh. Pink salmon. Ooh, yes. Strawberry jelly. Oh, black eyed peas. Mixed vegetables. Good shot of these. I got some cut green beans. I really needed some canned vegetables, so I'm really grateful for that. Got some mixed fruit. A second jar of peanut butter. That's going to come in handy because you know what I do with peanut butter? I make icing. Make that into cakes. Tomato sauce. All right. Corn. Low soda. No salt added. Oh, perfect. Right up my alley. And some more mixed fruit. All right, now let's see. What do they put in the meat pack? Nieces and nephews, check this out. A whole pack of ground beef. A small one, but this is nice. Ground beef. And 3 packs of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, I am going to grill these up. I'm going to make some marinated chicken. I'm going to show you how to do that. We'll just get this out the way. Now, we're going to do something a little different. I know what I can make with this stuff, but I have a question for you, nieces and nephews. What would you like me to make with what I have here? The bananas did not come from the pantry, okay? But what I have here, I want you to tell me what you would like me to make. Or ask me questions about what you would want to make on this. What could you make? But right now, the challenge is for you, nieces and nephews. Let me know what you want me to make, and I will. Comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and pass me around to your friends. All right, till next time, big love from Uncle Chris, and think about what you want me to make. All right.